how to remove background in photo in iPhone. So if you want to remove a photo background on your iPhone without using a third-party application, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to remove background in photo in iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Photos app and then locate the photo whose background you want to remove. So let's say this particular photo is the photo whose background I want to remove. Then locate the photo. Once you locate the photo, click on the share button at the bottom left. Then here you should see this menu comes up, swipe up like this. And then you want to locate add to files. So just scroll down and click on save to files. Now, for you to be able to identify this image fast, go ahead and give this photo a name. So I'm just going to say ADT so that I'll be able to identify this particular photo in the Files app. Then make sure you know where this photo is saved. So this is saved on my iPhone. Click on save. Then exit the Photos app and then go ahead and open my files on your iPhone. So just search for files, open it. Then once you open files, go to where the photo was saved. In this case, the photo was saved on my iPhone. Then scroll through and search through the photo you saved on the iPhone. This is the photo, like this. Now, to remove the photo background, all you just need to do is press and hold the photo. Then you should see this menu comes up. Now, on the menu, locate and click on Quick Actions. Then here, you should see Remove Background. Once you click on Quick Actions, under Quick Actions, then you're going to see Remove Background. Then go ahead and click on that. Now, once you click on Remove Background, hang on. Then instantly you should see the photo background removed. So this was the original photo, and this is the photo whose background was removed. You can now move this background back to your Photos app or leave it here as it is. You can see the photo now has a white background. So just go ahead and click on done. So when next you want to use this photo, all you just need to do is open the photo here. If you cannot use that from the File app, click on it once, click on share here, and then share it whatever you want to share it, and then you're good to go. So that is basically how to remove background in photo in iPhone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.